Hi everyone, this is the first video to the measurement series. Let's have a look at perimeter. So perimeter is the total length of a boundary, or in other words, the outside of a shape. So here we have a shape with 4 sides, and the question might read, for example, find the perimeter of the following shape. So what do? We just have to add all the lines outside of a shape. So we say P is equal to 5, so that one there, and I like to put a dot where I start so I know that when I reach that dot I've added all the values and I haven't accidentally gone around more than once. So 5 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8, we get 31 meters. Let's do another example. In this example we see that we're missing a value over there, and that's because this symbol over here means that this side is equivalent to that side. So that means that side is also 6.1. So now we can add the 3 values. So 6.1, so we started over there. Then the next one will be another 6.1 and 3.5. And we have 15.7 centimeters. Take note of the units. For this one, again, that symbol means that side is the same. And those two are going to be the same. So we have 2 2s and 2 3s. So we can write perimeter equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So we went around. But it's okay to work it out as 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 3 because it's easier to do that numerically in your head. Whichever the case, the answer will be 10. So you can write any of the working out. Sometimes you'll see the formula as 2a's plus 2 of the b's, or sometimes you might even see it factorized as 2a plus b. So it doesn't matter which way you do it as long as you've added all the values that go outside the shape. One last example. Here we have 3 millimeters, and we notice that the other sides are all the same. It's got 5 sides, so we could sit here and write 3 plus 3, etc., etc., or we can just say 3 times, well, there's 5 of them, so 5. And our answer would be 15 millimeters. That's it for the introduction to perimeter. Continue to the next video for harder examples. Bye!